hello, fellow questers. It is Dallyn. I'm actually with Jordan and Forrest again, so you know it's just going to be something ghost related. Jordan, where are we going?
We're going to Eureka, Utah, which is an old abandoned mining town over in Delta, kind of. And we're going to go to an old pioneer cemetery, which is over by 5 Mile Pass.
Hopefully none of us get possessed or died. So, see you there. All right, we are at our first location. We are actually at the abandoned cemetery, the Pioneer Abandoned Cemetery.
It's an old mining town that the pioneers were using to mine gold, but it got abandoned, and this is where they buried all the people in the town.
So we're gonna go check out the cemetery. This is how dark it is. I wish the camera would be able to get just how amazing the stars look. This is the trail. You've been here before, yeah? Both of you.
Yeah.
And Jordan, you said there's a lot of what energy? What kind of energy tonight? A lot of cosmic energy tonight.
Oh.
What? Jordan, I don't like that.
Oh, I saw that too.
What?
That right there?
Yeah.
It looked like a kid.
Oh, with the tree?
Yeah.
Oh gosh. What happens when you go in the middle of nowhere at night?
It does look like it, though.
Right. So when we find the rest of them, make sure you don't step in the grave.
Oh, another one.
They're small.
They're small. Don't leave me alone.
See, those are not real.
Those aren't real?
No, that's not a grave.
These
are the graves.
These are the graves?
So remember to don't step inside the circles.
So this is a grave? Mm-hmm. Someone left some toys there. I don't know, the woods. Breaking. A lot of toys here. You said you got the chills for us?
I did.
Oh gosh. Who takes care of the stuff up here?
I don't think anybody does.
Oh, this one's popular. Who's putting all the toys up here? You see something, Jordan?
No. I just like something is missing
Something's missing.
from this one. Like a toy is not
Where it's supposed to be.
I'm getting this. Hey, please put this back.
Do you think someone just took it?
Where's the toy?
That's hard to say though, because there's toys in like every grave.
I don't think he's talking to us.
Okay. Okay.
Where's the toy? Is this your toy? Okay.
You're welcome.
You did a good deed.
She's got pennies.
Listen.
You ready?
Yeah, put the flashlight on. Press it.
Please pass.
Okay, I don't like that, Jordan. I don't like that. Jordan, I don't like that.
There's nothing malevolent.
You also don't have bad intentions. No, because we're being respectful. Yeah, it's different when you come and you're being disrespectful. Because, like, this is sacred place. Well, I mean, like, why is it separate from us?
Over there is a grave that's not marked. That they probably didn't put one of these up on.
Oh.
So do you think these are just random people bringing gifts, or do you families somehow still
Well,
knows?
this was like 100 years ago, maybe even more.
We're leaving now. I was a little creeped out, of course, because I'm not used to this, but for Forrest and Jordan done this, he said it was a very peaceful night. So we'll go with that. We'll head back to the car, and we're gonna go to Eureka. Jordan said it's about a 40-minute drive. That's illegal. We got you on camera, Jeep.
That's what it looked like. But
Cool.
all the buildings are gone.
So, but we're gonna see something similar at Eureka.
We're gonna see this, and all the buildings are still there, but they're empty.
Creepy.
And
You said there's a prison
people live there, yeah. But
in
you can-
Eureka?
People live there. Probably like maybe 100 or something.
Ew. Jordan, where are we?
This is called Silver City.
This is creepy. It is. Well, there's your hole.
Oh wait, no, there's more over there.
Slip and fall down.
I would die. I'd literally die. Oh gosh, careful, Jordan, careful.
You gotta go fast.
God, I don't know how to do this. Okay. Oh. My mom's not gonna be happy. Good? Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, creepy. Dark and narrow. I don't like that.
Who is Ellen J?
Ellen J, if you watch this video, please let us know.
If you can see where the iron beam was.
You want to go first? Why do I have to go first?
You're the brave one. You're a brave boy.
This is one with all the water.
Ew, that's scary.
How far does that go?
We can look if we go up here.
Oh my gosh.
Don't lose your phone.
Oh yeah.
Echo.
I remember.
Hello, is it me you're looking for? Oh, oh my God.
This is safe to walk on, right?
Sure, yeah, until you fall in.
If you fall in there, there's no way for you to get out.
Yeah, that's water. That's water.
Just saying, if you fall, you can't get out.
You can't get out, you're dead, you're screwed. And there's something in there. There'd be something in there. No way I want to go in there. There's no way I'm going in there.
I mean, do it for the vine.
There's no way I'm going in there.
Your flashlight is stronger.
I don't care, that doesn't mean I'm first. I'm the scaredest one here.
This?
Easter egg for what?
Oh, all the different.
There's something over there.
There's something over there?
I just heard it again, but this time it was louder.
Yeah, while I was...
that car.
No, it was like a rock moving.
Okay, well, yeah, while I was not filming, we heard our pebble moving because we turned off all the lights. Did you hear that? Why did I decide to do this?
We do this every year. But we're choosing to make this one less scary.
Less scary. Oh, so this is less scary.
Yeah, Silver City.
Oh, man. Probably gonna be a lot of shots of your butt, Jordan.
Yeah. People seem to like that. Someone commented last time.
They did.
He's so cute.
And then they got rid of it because they were like, oh no, he'll know.
What does it say? That's cool. We just finished Silver City.
Silver City is creepy, but nothing happened. We did hear something, but we always hear something when Jordan is out and about filming with us. All right, on. All right, we made it to Eureka. Go check out the ghost
I
town.
just realized that
Do
too.
you know why
What?
it's bad?
Yes.
What's bad?
The smell of fire and flint.
Here?
What does it smell like to you?
Look at big that is. Ah, that thing's super tall.
Oh, wait, no, that's super. It had a 500 horsepower engine. Wow. 3,000 feet?
I could not be a miner.
See, this is where the thing happened. I was crouched right here, and I look over, and my keys are like where that rock is.
They have it capped, so you can't, obviously.
They have what?
It's closed.
Hmm.
So it's capped, but the thing over there said 3,000 feet down. I don't like that. And I'm like gripping my phone. I'm gonna
Me
kill
too.
it.
Someone stand on it.
No.
No.
You do it.
Someone did.
I touched it. I don't want to. All right, onward, ever onward. Okay, so this is Eureka.
Uh-huh. Oh, you painted. Wow. No, it's the alley.
Last time we were here, Jordan would not look down this alley.
Why?
He was scared. There was something there.
Okay. I don't like that. Keep going. City Hall.
It's still there. Looks like Sharon from Cars. Hey, down, go say hi.
Not by myself, I'm not.
going out.
Well, I'm not going by myself.
Right here now.
I'm not going by myself.
Look in the window.
Look, there's paper in the
I am not going by myself.
Go read it.
Is that a good idea? Look, that's a theater? Is that theater?
It's locked.
I don't think we can go in.
Can't go in? What if you saw someone just sleeping?
Look,
there?
this is new. Someone smashed in the rear door of City Hall. They're giving a $1,000 reward. Ooh, that's creepy.
Ew, the chair itself. What if that was rocking? Ew. Let's go.
What?
Did I hear that dog?
Dog. This building.
Isn't this the one to the jail? Isn't it right up there?
Is this the jail?
Should I go up?
107.
Ew, that just. Ew. Just waiting to see someone looking through the windows.
Wow. I mean, I'm just saying.
This is the old church. The holiday house. Oh, it's for sale.
We did this last time.
Oh, really? Was it for sale?
We did the deer in the person's yard. How did they get in there?
It's a deer.
We just jumped in the window. There's another deer.
Hello, deer. So that's the motel. Looks like in pretty good condition.
Should we spend the night?
No freaking way. And then this is a. 1896.
1890.
You go in.
I don't know if you can or not. No, it's iron. It's iron shut. 24-hour videos, right? Oh, there it is. Wave at the camera. Oh, look, a door that goes nowhere.
Josh, Jordan.
You see, I was gonna hit you.
Got this gold cabana caboose. Oh, sketch AF. Ooh. has used the toilet.
Someone has used this back room as a toilet.
Why is that moving? I don't like that. Okay, we can go. Okay, cool. What? No. No. No, 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 no.
Not nice.
Bad juju?
Yeah. You are not allowed to follow us.
You're not.
Not allowed.
Hey guys, I'm just finally getting home from the madness of tonight. It was a lot of fun. Sad that I couldn't do this with Cody. Hopefully we can get him out doing more stuff like this eventually. But I really want to thank Forrest and Jordan once again for taking me out and showing me some amazing areas. And it's pretty spooky tonight. It got pretty creepy. If you really like this video, please leave a comment. Sure, and like it really helps. Talk to us, let us know what you're thinking, and also please check out our other spooky/scary videos that we have in our playlist. Got a lot of good stuff. We're going to keep that up. Once again, thank you, Jordan. Thank you, Forrest. Thank you, everyone watching and supporting the channel. It really means a lot. Hopefully no ghouls or goblins get you.
I'm just gonna pee this way. Don't look. Don't look.
Don't look.
Oh, literally right there.
Are you filming?
Yeah.
Don't film!